Hey again, welcome back to Astroneer Tips and Tricks. This is part 3. In this short, I'm basically going to be showing you how to optimize power in the early game through a little bit of late game. Let's get into it. So, for the start of the game, you're going to basically be struggling with power, but small generators are going to be your main source of it. Basically, you fill it up with soil, you print it, it goes into the storage, and then goes immediately into these generators whenever possible. It's really simple, but it's great for starting off. Second setup we have here is basically gonna be medium generators, same kind of idea as that, except it's medium generators. So it's gonna print organic, and the organic's gonna fly into the smelting furnace, and the smelting furnace is gonna fly into this, and then this will fly into this when it needs to be used. And that'll be steady power. So this over here is basically the fully optimized version of that. So this basically is the exact same thing, except it has these attached. And these are wind turbines. They could also be solar, but it doesn't matter which one it is. Basically what we're gonna do with this is we want these, the medium generators, to be on, but only when these wind turbines are off. Basically we're using the medium generators as a backup, so that when it stops being windy, it's powered by the medium generators. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna take a medium platform, a medium platform A, and we're gonna take a power sensor and pop it on there with a small wind turbine, and also pop that on there. We're not gonna connect it to our house. This is so that this thing is gonna sense when this platform is out of power, and it's gonna send a signal through this onto our generators. So that's gonna send power to this, and that'll turn on our generators as soon as the wind turbines are stopped power. So now the wind turbines are no longer moving, and the generators are back on. The reason we want to do this is because the wind turbines are a bunch of power, but only when it's windy. So now it's windy again, these are moving, and the generators are back off. So you only have to get organics every now and then, because as soon as it stops being windy, these turn on, and as soon as it starts, these turn back off. Thanks for watching. Bye.